So I did the blink LED thing as you suggested, and it is actually working. So this proves that the programmer is working. And if I change this to something slower just to prove it is 1000. Then I sketch upload using programmer, and I click OK, upload programmer now. You can see it's got a 1 second delay, so it is working. But when I go to it's 1.19 version Marlin, I'm using OptiBoot. USB is the programmer, USBasp, and I sketch upload using programmer as well. It looks like it's going to work, and then seriously, and that's it every time. No matter what I do, Marlin just will not upload. The selected serial port.